Google Built-in offers Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play integrated into the touchscreen. Google Assistant uses Hey Google voice commands to control navigation, the audio system, texting and calling with a paired smartphone, and certain cabin functions. Google Maps replaces the navigation system and can factor range and charging stations into route planning. And Google Play allows third-party apps to be downloaded to the vehicle's home screen. If an owner profile is showing at the top of the touchscreen when you receive your vehicle, this profile belongs to your dealership. To create a new owner profile, select the current profile name, select Manage Profile, Profiles and Accounts, and then delete this profile. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up a new owner profile, including signing in with a Google account for a personalized experience. When setting up a new profile, review the terms and preferences on each page carefully before proceeding to accept them. When selling your vehicle or returning it at the end of a lease, ensure the data reset is done to clear any personal data. Select Settings, System, Reset Options, Erase infotainment data, and then Erase. Note, many Google built-in features require an internet connection. Your vehicle includes a 3-year complimentary subscription that enables internet for Google built-in. See hondahelp.ca for information on how to activate vehicle internet using Honda Link connected by OnStar.